Let us continue the discussion and work on creating the switches for the other two leftover uh, options, that is select and start. And this is the place where we have to create the switches. So what we can do is we can simply select this and click on this icon. So what does this icon does is this icon hides all the other components and shows only the selected part. Now you can see all the other items are hidden and this part is left over. All right, now again we can do the same thing as what we have followed for the other two switches. I'll just go to the new part, and what shall we name this switches? Central switches. Okay, central underscore switches, and I'll just press OK. The part is open right now, so I'll just minimize this part. Again, I'll come to the model, I'll click on assemble, I'll go to insertion, and we will be selecting the central switches. I'll just press OK. All right, now I will be going to default, and I'll just press all right. Okay, so we have the central switches being active or being added to the assembly. Now we can simply activate the central switches and go to the top plane and press a normal view. This aligns to the normal view. First and foremost thing is we will be creating these oblong switches. I'll just click on extrude at first. I'll project these edges in order to get this shape for both the switches together. All right, we'll just press what happened. I think there's something missing over here. Yeah, this is fine right now. I'll just press OK. And what should be the height of it? We'll just keep them like this and press OK. Now what we can do is we can offset from the top as what we have done for the previous other parts. All right, now we can just activate the assembly and see how does it look like. It looks good to me. Now what my plan is, we will be creating a rectangular plate on the top that will be connecting these two extensions of the switches, and we will be creating a slot over here. All right, and I think central slot is sufficient for us to fix it. All right, now I'll just activate this again, and what should be the slot distance? Let us just measure it. It has to be 0.025. all right, I'm sorry, it shouldn't be 0.2025. it has to be from here 0.045. all right, that is the distance between the surface of this one and the surface of the upper cover. Now I'll be clicking on normal view, activating the central switches, and clicking on extrude, select the surfaces, and what can we do? We can just fill up this material up to this point. What say? And same goes to the right side, so we can just mirror them. Press OK. This has to be 0.045. If I'm not wrong, they have to be something more than that, but let us just analyze them in the assembly. We can go to analysis, I'm sorry, not analysis, measure, create a section over here. Yeah, we can fill this material. So what is the distance between them? This surface and this surface, it is 0.07. so I'll just extrude this one up to 0.07. all right, and is there any interference? No, this is sectional representation, that is the reason it is looking like interference. And next thing is So these are connected like this. We will be having another extrude on the top. All right, so I have to activate this extrude on the top. Something like this. And we can do one thing. We can directly make a symmetric left to right rectangle. Go to symmetry, select this one, left and right. 2.4 by 0.3. All right, and I want this to be something around 0.05. It can be something less than that as well. All right, so we have created this part which is installed in this manner. All right, so I'll just take a section view for you to understand. I'm sorry, extremely sorry, what's happening? So in this slot, the material goes inside and I need to fill this and see that it touches the surface. All right, so what is the distance of that one? Let me go to analysis, measure distance, the surface to this surface, and that is 0.045. So I can just open this one, fill the central region up to that distance. I think we can fill up this outer wall as well. So what we can do is we can go back, we can select this and offset it. I believe there is an issue with my mouse, so that is the reason it is double pressing. Yeah, now this is touching and it is extended from the side. And let me just turn off the section view. Get back all the materials or the parts, and let us move to the next video.